right, we are here at Disney's Riviera Resort. Super pretty, just even from the drop-off area. All right, let's go take a look at the lobby. Ooh. Super sleek and modern. Okay, so we are heading out to our room now. The art is really pretty and stylized. I love it. Alright, welcome to our room. Okay, when you first enter the one bedroom here at Riviera, this is a lock-off door to a studio, which could make this a 2-bedroom. You walk in, and here's the kitchen setup. It's actually really bright and airy. It has the microwave, a full oven and cooktop. This one only has a single sink, but the full kitchen, coffee pot, dishwasher, and then it also has all of your supplies, so plates and glasses, everything that you need to make a meal. Then from here you head into the dining area, and actually the refrigerator is a huge refrigerator right here. So there's a banquette here, can seat quite a few people, and then this is really clever. So there are 2 beds hidden in this room. This is the really cute couch. I love this artwork. And this actually is a Murphy bed. So I don't think I can do this one-handed. Let's see. Whoop. Okay, now the bed is fully down. You've got that beautiful mural and a nice size full bed. And the other Murphy beds like this we've had in the rooms are actually really comfortable. They're so much better than the old fold-out couches. All right, from here we're gonna turn around and reveal hidden bed number 2. Here, underneath the TV stand is another twin bed. So great. I love those. And they're actually really nice for younger kids because they're pretty low to the ground. All right, from the living area, we're gonna head into the main bedroom. So again, very classy style, very classic, but there's some very cool Disney art in here. So like this stylized Aristocats picture, and tufted headboard is just pretty. Little table, little desk to sit at. And then over here is the closet. So the closet has some built-in shelves, which is actually really nice if you're going to be staying a longer time. And then there's a TV in here as well, and a large dresser. So these drawers are pretty small, but the middle ones are actually large, and it's got several, so I'm pretty happy with the storage here in the room. All right, from the bedroom, we're gonna head into the bathroom. So it is a split bathroom, which is always a hit with me. So here is one sink vanity area with a large mirror and this incredible soaking tub. It would take a lot of bubbles to fill that one for the little ones, or for the grown-ups too. And then from there, the other part of the bathroom, there's a pocket door here that closes it off. from this large shower. It's actually quite large. See, there's even a seat back there. Beautiful tile work as well. And then the toilet and another smaller vanity. So it's easy for several people to get ready at the same time. There's plenty of space. Nobody has to fight over, you know, who's going to get the mirror or the sink. And then from here, you head straight back out. There are two closets. One is just a large closet with the safe. And the other, in this tiny closet here, is actually a stacked washer and dryer. So this is super convenient. In the one bedroom, you do have a washer and dryer right here in the room. The entrance, the little start of the room. So this actually is an incredible room. Ooh. Also, the hooks by the door are my favorite. You put your park bag up there, magic bands, whatever, so you don't forget them as you're walking out the door in the morning. And there's also a nice little stand over there as well for that. But overall, I'm really happy. I think the room is beautiful. Thank you for taking a tour of the Disney Riviera Resort one bedroom villa. I hope you enjoyed this villa as much as I think we will, and for following along on our journey. Thanks for being part of the Smart Mouse Travel family. I can't wait to share our next adventure with you. Take care. Talk to you soon.